Welcome back to Bonsu the Low Guru. Unfortunately, today I cannot do a sit down video, but we are going to talk about parents' maintenance. Can your parents sue you for maintenance, and how does that happen in South Africa? On this channel, I try to talk about challenges that are law challenges that South Africans face on daily basis so that we can understand and know how to apply our rights. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. It might help someone. The big question is here is that as a child, can my parents sue me to support them financially? Yes, and absolutely yes. Under which conditions do my parents have rights to me supporting them financially? As we all know that the legal duty to support falls on a parent, on an adoptive parent, on a spouse and sibling. It also stretches to a parent. So if a parent cannot work, a parent is sick and does not receive any pension thereof, then that's when a parent can claim a maintenance from a child. But this is not an automatic thing saying that as a child you will support your parents. The court will look if you are working, what are your responsibilities and what is your lifestyle. Imagine you are working a job. Imagine you're working a job that only pays you 3,000 and you have children that also need your attention and your spouse who's not working. So the court will look into that also. And we should also not forget that as a young person who was raised by your parents, there's a black tax which is cultural, which is something that you do out of love. The court will look that do you already support them in that sense, meaning that without any legal obligation? And if so, they may reduce the money or cancel it altogether, because sometimes you know how it gets tricky in black families that you may end up supporting your children, just wanting your children. Your parents just wanting more money from you just because they raised you. It doesn't work because of that. The maintenance in South Africa, which is parents' maintenance, it works only if the parents cannot sustain themselves and they don't earn any pension. Remember that South African government has what we call South African Social Agency, South African Social and Security Agency, which provides a livelihood to people who cannot afford themselves. Under that, there's a pension for older people who are 60 and above. So if your parents are 60 and above and they are registered under that, or they are not registered, the court will advise them to do that so that you cannot actually have a financial burden of supporting your own parents. Because let's just be honest, on this planet, our parents give birth to us so that we can be successful and thrive on their own terms. But us, we didn't choose to be here. So our parents naturally, they are responsible for our maintenances. Yeah, from this video, what we can learn is that parents' maintenance is a legal duty that is not automatical. It's the court that will decide under the condition that your parents are not working, cannot support themselves, they are sick and they are not earning any pension. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. If you find this videos helpful, please do subscribe, like and comment in the comment section. Bye bye.